English Grade 3 Lesson 14. Read and match. Swim, run, car race, hide and seek. Netball, volleyball, L, football, cricket. Answers and meaning. Write the answers in words. 7, 3, 8, 4, 5. 10 minus 7, 10 minus 3, 9 minus 1, 9 minus 5, 8 minus 3. Answers. 10 minus 7, 3. 10 minus 3, 7. 9 minus 1, 8. 9 minus 5, 4. 8 minus 3, 5. Write the answers in words. 7, 3, 8, 4, 5. 6 plus 1. 5 plus 3. 2 plus 2. 2 plus 1. 2 plus 3. Answers. 6 plus 1, 7. 5 plus 3, 8. 2 plus 2, 4. 2 plus 1, 3. 2 plus 3, 5. Renu, Kusum and Pyumi participated in a race. Let's see the results of the competition. Renu is the, Kusum is the, Pyumi is the. Make sentences. We chess play. Make we paper boats. We songs sing. We kites fly. Answers. We play chess. We make paper boats. We sing songs. We fly kites. Meaning.